Okay, thank you very much. I think that the problem now is which should be the focus of the fight against smoking. And obviously, all of you say the focus is on traditional cigarette. But now we are talking about new products. What is happening in Spain and in Europe with a European cancer beating plan is that, and almost rest of the world, the focus is not against smoking on traditional cigarette. The focus is on new products, and that is the problem, because we have to the traditional cigarette. We have not to beat the new products. Where new products, new tobacco harm reduction products must be tested, and we have now evidence, and we have a lot of data, as we have seen in your presentations, that is 95% less harmful than traditional cigarette. If traditional combustion cigarette is the worst thing and cause cancer, cause heart attack, cause lung problem disease, why could not use new products that we know now and all the society says that are less harmful to beat and to reduce all those deaths in the world. In Spain, the enterprise, the cigarette enterprise, sell 4,000 million of cigarettes each year. In Spain, we have around 8 million of smoking consumers, and we have around 50,000 to 60,000 deaths from smoking. What is killing people in Spain and in Europe? Traditional cigarette, not tobacco harm reduction products, no. What is killing people is traditional cigarette. There's no disease. Some media have tried to say that tobacco harm reduction products have a lot of disease, as EVALI or lipoid pneumonia, but there's no disease from those products. We think that some anti-smoking organizations are following the focus of the problem. That must be the combustion cigarette. And we have a lot of examples trying to equiparate, trying to say that traditional cigarette and novel products are the same. That is confused to people, because a smoker could think, okay, if traditional cigarette and ends are the same, we have to. I don't want to keep smoking, or I don't want to switch. But that is a problem, and that problem is against scientific evidence. Now, what the logic thinkings and talks. The debate should be open around the new products in which the following is taken into account. Why? First of all currently available evidence. If the evidence is for everybody, why some people, they don't want to see that evidence? And second, we have international follow-up of those countries, such as UK, Japan, New Zealand, USA, France, Iceland, and Norway, Sweden. THR products are intended exclusive for the adult smoker. We have to think about that. And if those countries that are incorporated the third pillar about tobacco harm reduction, and they could reduce the problems from smoking, why the rest of the country we cannot look at those countries and say, okay, we're going to do the same. Europe need to go on the example as UK. What is going to happen probably in Spain next year? Probably our politicians with the influx from WHO, the World Health Organization, our politicians, they want to reopen the anti-smoking law. First of all, doing a media program with a lot of ads saying the traditional cigarettes and the THR products are the same. They want to establishment of high taxes, ban on flavors, ban on online sales, and ban on public places with another one. Probably the third THR products make market collapse in Spain. As I say before, first of all, trying to invent new disease as lethal pneumonia or campaigns as in Spain. I'm going to show you the ads in the media. And we have in Spain a refusal of the current government and tobacco control authorities to dialogue with the stakeholders. Our platform have tried to speak with our politicians. We have do a congress. We have do a lot of webinars trying to show the evidence that we have and trying to say that tobacco harm reduction products are not the unique thing to stop smoking, but it's the third pillar. We try to work together, but some people, they don't want to work with us. This is the ads that we have seen saying that traditional cigarettes and tobacco harm reduction products are the same. I want to say that the importance of the recent article by the 15 presidents of the Society of Nicotine and Tobacco Products. They say that action on THR requires a balanced approach. And second, we are talking a lot of time about children and teenagers, but the defense of children by a theoretical and unproven gateway risk cannot justify morally or ethical the sacrifice of the health and lives for millions of adult smokers. If traditional cigarette, combustible cigarette is killing people, why cannot switch to another product that now the evidence say that it cannot kill anybody? But the World Health Organization decides tobacco harm reduction can wait until 2023. Why? Why they don't want to talk? If scientific programs and scientific debate is the base to improve the health, the public health and the health in citizens. But the WHO decides not to talk. They want to only to say, okay, we talk after, far away, or never. But we don't know why they don't want to talk. I think they don't want to talk because the evidence is so strong that they have fear to say that tobacco harm reduction is a good system to stop smoking or to switch smoke. Public health in Spain, actually, the harassment and coercion of the authority to the doctors and scientists who defend THR. I don't know why that fear from some authorities to speak and to talk about this problem. And I want to show and to share our experience in the Spanish Virtual Congress.
Dr. Bueno, if you can do that in 1 minute, because there is a following roundtable discussion, so we have only 1 minute. So if you could conclude your presentation.
Yes, I only want to say that we for our platform, we want to say that we think it's very important to create an observatory. We think it's very important to share all the evidence and to say to the BECA that all the scientific evidence now need to be exposed to improve the health of our citizens in Europe. Thank you very much.